people. Whoa, back at it again. Oh, coming in hot right there. Oh man, I wish I was recording earlier. There's like a little lump, like jump, like, you know, like they have out here, and they had a boulder like right in the middle of it. And I seen it, I saw it. And I was like, don't hit it, move it. Or move it, I mean, move away from it, whatever you want to say. And I just did it, right over it. Dude, that thing bucked the front one way. Kicked the rear tire another way. And I came off that little jump, basically locked, dude, locked. The bars were locked sideways. We're almost high-sided, fellas. But, you know what I mean? We just grabbed a hold of this wild fucking Bronco. And we got out of it. Oh, shit. Woo! Got out of it, man. I want to keep on going through this, as well since we're here. Oh! This is where all the moisture's at. So yeah, that just happened a while ago, but I wasn't recording, of course. But just take my word for it, it was sketchy. Definitely a Booker moment. The old tutor was locked up tight, not letting nothing out, not even a peep. Oh man. Times like that where you really feel alive. It might not have been a bad crash, I mean, but it's just like, you know, you're slamming to the ground off a high side. You know how that works. It's either shoulder or you know, your upper arm or elbow, you know, is taking the good brunt of the crash. Oh my God! Uphill whoops. Oh shit! That tree. That tree, man. I dunked for the tree. Lost visual where I was at. Came up on that, and you can see I washed the front end out. Well, we good. And we're back on the move. I don't know, my head still might be loose. Come on, baby. It's that third gear that I like to run through this shit. Sometimes I don't downshift. Oh. She's a lugger though. I'd rather have my bike lugging nice and tight and strong than high speed, that's for sure, because this is what I ride out here, man. Getting freaky in the situation. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for that vid. Smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. You know we always out here ripping when we can. Peace.